Today I'm going to go out and do some cache maintenance, but I'm going to use this opportunity to show you how to use the Garmin GPS to do a multi-cache. Using this unit here, which is a 64 ST, and I'm going to show you how we get started to find a multi-cache. I'm going to start having some of these shorts to kind of show everybody little hints on better how to use your GPS and finding caches, and kind of little details on how to work your device a little better. So I'm going to try my best to make this as easy to see as possible. So what we've done is we found a cache, and this is the cache that I'm coming out here to do maintenance on, and I'm going to mark it. I marked it to find it, and you'll see it says it's 0.11 from my location. So this is the first stage of a multi-cache. So when we get to the next stage, I'll show you how to enter the next stage. So we found the first stage, and this one here is kind of unique, and that you have to look through this little window here, and it has a mirror, and it shines. That's the backwards writing of the coordinates in the mirror, and you have to read that coordinate. So we're going to take that coordinate now, and I'll show you how to put it in the GPS for the next stage. So you'll see I've got the coordinates wrote down on a sticker. I thought I might have to replace that. So there's my coordinates. So what I do here is go up to my GPS, and I put I'm already locked in going to that cache, so I'm 14 feet away from it. So I'm going to hit the menu button, and then it's going to say view geocache. Hit enter. Now if you go down through these here, you'll see it goes further. Enter next stage. You hit enter. Now it gives you that coordinate. So you're using your buttons and your numbers, put that coordinate in for your next stage. So you'll see I took the coordinate and I put it into my GPS, and now I'll hit enter. I'll actually go down here to where it says done. Hit enter. Now it projects that next waypoint down to this location. Now when I get done finding that and I say I found it on my GPS, it'll get rid of that location completely. So now we've got 145 feet to get to that next stage. So I got there to the final point. It's showing plus or minus 16 feet. There's my cache. We won't go into the details about how to get this one open, because it gives you a load of keys down here, but we won't get into that. If someone wants to come out here and find this, then they can go through the what they have to do to get that cache open. So anyway, that's how you get to it. And when you get to it, then you want to hit the menu button, view, and then you want to hit the found button. Found, and then the next closest. And so what you'll see is it actually, I've got a little blue flag because I marked this because it's my my cache, but it dropped that off your map, and it actually puts the original on there still. That's if you got the setting where you'll see the caches even then they're complete. Sometimes that disappears altogether, depending on your settings, but that's pretty much how you do a multiple cache, or have multiple stages. If you came to that section and you need another stage, you do it the same way. You just toggle down till you see that enter the next stage, and that's how you do that. So I hope that helped out some people that are out there geocaching with the GPSs. Like I say, a lot of people use their phone these days, but when you're out in the woods and you're in an area with very bad reception, these units here are your best bet. So still want to make sure everybody feels comfortable with how to use these. So that's about all I have. Ask any other questions you have in the comments, and we'll see you again on another one of these GPS shorts.